Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hut8, K1, Galaxy Digital, DMG Blockchain, Mara and Riot. Okay, let's jump right into it. Yes, okay, what did you do, guys? Yeah, I was working today and then I started the computer and checked the prices, and Bitcoin minus 5%, Ethereum minus 3. All the miners are big in red right now. So yeah, we have Hive minus 16, Hut8 minus 12, Bitfarms minus 13. So yeah, Riot, Mara minus 13, minus 16. So overall a big red day for us. But yeah, I don't understand why the people are freaking out. Because on the overall trend we're at 47,500 in Bitcoin, so we're way high. We're very good, and yeah, we can see yeah, nothing happened. I mean, when you freak out, zoom out. I mean, we're here in October. We were here at 10,000. Okay, and yeah, our miners are making a lot of money right now because they don't sell here at the bottom. They will wait for the recovery, and they don't sell at all right now because they said they hodl, they have enough cash, they will wait for a big price increase. I mean, you know my target of 200,000 here, which is up here. So we are right now here. I mean, there's no guarantee that we hit this. This is my target here. I follow the stock to flow and stock to flow cross asset. So in between, the channel in between where we are now on the way. It would be nice. But yeah, you can see that there's a long way to go, and we have enough time. I mean, we're now in the beginning of March, so we have a lot of months for possible month for this bull market. I mean, you never know. I mean, we can go tomorrow to zero. There's no guarantee for this, but yeah, I'm in here for the longer game, and I will be patient. I will wait. I will not sell at the bottom. I don't know what you're doing. You can do what you want, but for me, this is no problem. I can wait here. And we can see here, for example, the RSI on the daily here. It's still an uptrend here. We can see the MACD here on the daily. I mean, it's still very red here, but yeah, in the January correction, we were red here, and then it turned on the white here, and then it moved slowly to green. So we will see where we go here. Yeah, but right now there's everything in red, and yeah, we have to live with it. Okay, let's check the data, because the data is not so bad. Mining profitability of Bitcoin is at 29 cents per day per terahash. For Ethereum, it's at 9 cents per day per megahash, and the address is richer than $1 at 32 million. So this is an all-time high here. Yeah, so there nothing big happened. We can also see that the mining difficulty is dropping right now. So in one day there's the difficulty adjustment. The estimation is minus 4%. So our miners will make in the next 2 weeks plus 1.4% more Bitcoin. So this is very good. And we can see that the hash rate in the one year chart here, we can see that it's not rising significantly. So we can here see again this chip shortage, and on the 1 month here we can see it's very stable. It looks like it's dropping. So yeah, this is crazy. We're in a bull market and the hash rate is not rising fast. Maybe this is because of the China ban of the thermal coal mining operations there, so that China is slowly moving out of mining. This is very interesting, or not China completely, but these conventional power generation plants and these mining operations there, yeah, with the big carbon footprint, so they have to shut down. So yeah, this is maybe we see it here right now. Good for our miners because they're mining 24/7. Yeah, so this is very bullish for the mining in the Western Hemisphere right now. Yeah, and then we have news from Hut8. The Hut8 will announce its financials, the year-end financials, at March 25th, 2021. So I think, yeah, these financials will surprise a lot of people, and yeah, that's going to be very interesting. So we have to wait 3 weeks for this, but I'm very excited for these yeah, financials here from Hut 8. I think I posted a video a few weeks ago with my estimation there. So they're gonna have, the revenue is not so big because Q4 was still, Bitcoin was still low in October, then it started to rise in November. But the income is gonna be very big because of the revaluation of these Bitcoins on the holdings. So yeah, this is gonna be very interesting for me, how the market values these revaluation. A lot of people say, yeah, there's no valuation for these, or there's no big value in this revaluation, but yeah, we will see what the market says. Yeah, so this is very interesting. Yeah, and then we have a small cap miner here. This is Integrated Ventures. Yeah, they bought 600 Avalon miners before. They raised 7 million in cash. Yeah, it seems, I think it's 2.7 million the purchase here, so it seems like they have still some cash on the sideline. Maybe they will buy more of these Avalon miners here. Yeah, they paid like 2.7 million US dollars for these 600 miners, so this is not cheap. The miners are now very expensive, but yeah, I know in the spot, so I think this is approximately like let's say 50 US dollars per terahash or something like this. Yeah, but I know at the spot market it's like 90 to 100 US dollars per terahash right now, so this is crazy what's happening. Yeah, so they buy this Avalon 1246 with 90 terahash, 600 for 2.7 million, and they will be delivered in March, May, and August. I'm right now not invested in Integrated Ventures, but it's part of the BLONITY Community Venture ETF I have built with my community with 10 venture companies where I will invest soon. So this is part of this, and the CEO, Steve Rubach, here is the CEO of Integrated Ventures. Yeah, it's a small cap miner. It dropped today like all the other miners. It's like 64 million right now. And I think they have some other investments. I did not deep dive right now in this company because they have some other investments. Yeah, I think I will wait a little bit for some newer financials to make a deep dive into this company. Yes, okay, guys. So yesterday it was a very tough day for me because first of all, I had a lot of trouble with my internet on the old computer where I do always these videos. The internet is broken there. I don't know why. It works on all the other computers. Yeah, I tried to fix it like 1 hour or so. It didn't work. Then I swapped all my data and all this software, recording software, to the new laptop. And yeah, then I recorded all my videos for YouTube, for Patreon. And after this, I realized that there was, or I realized after you said it to me, that there's no audio. Yeah, and then I was really exhausted. I did a small video for YouTube with no big content. I mean, right now there is not so big news. Yeah, but I mean, yeah, yesterday was a tough day, but today it's a lot better. Again, I don't care too much about these red numbers because I have seen this before. I can tell you if you're new. I mean, I went through this bear market here. So I started to buy crypto stocks here. Then I was big in red. I bought. Then I sold a little bit here. I had Hut 8, for example, here, sold a little bit. I think Hive was still in red here. So this was 3 years of a very hard time, more downside than upside. There were parts when I was 60% in red on my crypto stocks portfolio. Yeah, but I accumulated and I understood the fundamentals, especially in 2018. I did a lot of research. I read all these financials and I understood mining. Yeah, and then I accumulated because I was sure that at some point these companies are really fast will turn into billion-dollar companies. Yeah, and for example, here in this drop in 2020, 1 year ago, I think Hive Blockchain the valuation was 30 million, Bitfarms was 20 million, Hut 8 was like 70 million or something like this. So yeah, they were the valuation was not a lot higher than a few supermarkets or so. And now these companies, or for example, Argo Blockchain was the cheapest. I think they were below 20 million or so. And yeah, we know now these are, for example, Argo or Hive Blockchain, these are billion-dollar companies right now. Hut 8 was a few days ago a billion-dollar company, now a little bit below. Bitfarms is a $500 million company. So yeah, that happens when you understand the fundamentals and you understand the stock to flow and the 4-year cycles of Bitcoin. And yeah, then you make these gains. I mean, I think it's not too late, guys. Yeah, I think there's a lot of room to grow. Again, there's no guarantee. Please make your own decision here. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice. But I'm here for the longer run. And yeah, we will see how far we go. I don't think this is the end. You never know, but I don't think so. Okay, yeah, I think I have some more stuff here. Yeah, we have 2 financial results. First of all, from Hive Blockchain. I talked a little bit about this. I was on the call there with Frank Holmes and all the things. It was very interesting. Very good financials, but the quarter we're in now is going to be a lot bigger for Hive Blockchain. I think I will do an analysis on the weekend for Hive Blockchain. I will first release this for the Patreons. Yeah, and I will later, a little bit later, I release it on YouTube. And yeah, then we have DMG Blockchain. They also have some financials. I will analyze this on the weekend too. I hope I can do it. And they have some news. So I think DMG Blockchain is really making huge steps right now. And the stock is dropping like crazy, like 60% or so. So I bought a little bit more today. And yeah, they had this huge offering yesterday or 2 days ago where they get 70 million in Canadian dollars from I think it's a US institutional investor, and he paid 3 Canadian dollars per share. And yeah, I will show where is the share price right now. Where is DMG Blockchain? DMGI, it's $2 Canadian dollar 12. So yeah, this is a huge discount right now. So that's why I swapped a little bit from Galaxy today, because they were a little bit more stable, into DMG Blockchain. Because I mean, this is ridiculous here. I mean, DMG Blockchain right now is not generating huge revenue, but they are very diversified. They have software, they have solutions, and yeah, I think they will buy now miners. That was always the missing part for me. Now they have a lot of cash. I hope they can get some miners, and yeah, make some revenue there. Yeah, and then there's some news. DMG is selected by EcoPowers LLC for developing and managing its Bitcoin mining operation in the US. So this initial project will be for 25. I mean, I will zoom a little bit in, guys, so then you can see it better. Will be for 25 megawatt of flare gas. So we see here the flare gas again. I mean, you know, Hut 8 will start with this stuff here with the partner, with Validas. And yeah, they converted into Bitcoin mining. And DMG Blockchain, they will be here the operator for this flare gas conversion into Bitcoin. I mean, 25 megawatt and 400 petahash. This is not small. This is not a small operation. And DMG will also have the right to purchase an initial equity stake of up to 12.5% in EcoPowers. So yeah, that's the deal here. The initial 25 megawatts represent the first project phase, with 4 more phases identified, which will provide an additional capacity of 100 megawatt for DMG to build and operate, totaling 125 megawatt. So wow, that's a lot. This is big. Yeah, I was not sure how big these flare gas things are. I'm not an expert in this, to be honest. But yeah, 100 megawatt, I mean, that's a lot of natural gas. So I'm also very exciting for the operations the Hut 8 is planning there with flare gas, but that looks very interesting. So yeah, DMG Blockchain, they have this Christiana Lake facility there in southern BC in Canada. Yeah, currently the Christiana Lake team will be deploying up to 1,000 miners in the coming weeks, in line with infrastructure upgrades as they come online. So DMG also announces that it is working to meet its self-mining deployment targets at its Canadian 85 megawatt Christiana Lake facility. Yeah, so they're starting now with self-mining. So that's very good. I think 1,000 miners should be like 80, 90 or 100 petahash, which is a good start. Then they want to have this immersion cooling there, which should increase the efficiency. yeah, so we will see. I think DMG is very interesting. It's a very interesting company. In the past, I was not very bullish on it because, yeah, I was not sure whether they will start self-mining. But now we can see they're moving into this. They have now a lot of cash on the balance sheet. So I expect big purchases here. So that's, I took a little stake here in DMG Blockchain. Yeah, and we will see where this all goes. Okay, so guys, let's have, so yeah, this is a 60% drop here for DMG Blockchain from the top here. So that's why I bought a little bit again, 61 or 62%. This is really crazy. Yeah, Bitcoin is still at 47,800 or so. Yeah, it's in this consolidation phase here. I don't think we should panic here right now. We should panic sell or something like this. I mean, Bitcoin is at 47,800. Can you believe this? I mean, it was in October and I was happy when it moved from 10,000 to 11,000. This is a long time ago, it seems like. And I think I started with the videos at the beginning of November. Yeah, and it feels like it's 4 months now. It feels like it's like 1 or 2 years. This is really crazy. A lot of things happened since then. Yeah, crazy times right now. Okay, guys. So I think that's it for today. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.